to find out how you can turn your old pillows into something fabulous. All right. So for today's DIY, I have my old pillows here, my t-shirt transfer paper is by Avery. They have transfer paper by other companies. You can get that. It really doesn't matter. I have these pillow covers I found in IKEA. I do not know how to pronounce the name. I think I'm assuming it's girly, and it's a 20 by 20 white pillow cover. And I have 2 old pillowcases that I'll be using. And I have my iron. So let's get started today. Okay, so I have my pillow cover from IKEA. Y'all can tell it unzips. You can just slide your pillow right in. Also, you can buy the cushions to go inside of here at IKEA. So all I'm gonna do is iron out my pillowcase to remove any wrinkles, and also it helps to heat up the surface for your transfer. All right, so that's it. Get it hot. All right. Next is my image. I will be using this image here. If you do not know, I picked this image because I did a tutorial on how to do custom candles, and this is one of the images I put on my candles. Actually, if I can, I would try to link the video to that DIY in the description box or somewhere. Try to put it up there. Not sure, but just look for that in the descriptions. So the image is flipped backwards, as you can tell, because that's what the instructions say. Please, the instructions are on the back of the paper. So it says flip the image into your design space and then print. So that's what I'm going to do. Take your image. I guess if you want to, you could put it in the middle. You could put it in the side. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to lay mine right here in the middle. For a full sheet, for a full image sheet, it says iron your image on for 3 minutes. I'm going to look at my clock on the stove to try to time it. Not really sure. I'm not a professional. I really do not like doing iron-ons or images, but yeah, these pillows were kind of necessary. Okay, it's coming up. It's coming up. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Ooh, it's beautiful. Oh my God. Y'all look at that. Oh my God. I love it. Yes. Okay. We getting somewhere. So the same thing that I did with this, I'm going to do to the next pillowcase. So I'll be back. For my pillowcases, I have not decided on what kind of design or pattern I'm going to do. I'm going to wing it. So I have my big box of gems. I found these at Hobby Lobby for $12.99. I brung out my pearls, my iridescent rhinestones. I even have this cute strip of iron-on. Like, this is really cute. So I'll probably try to use these. I've never used them before. I have my gem tag for my jewels. And I have my wax pickers. I'm tripping. I am sorry. Like, I'm tired, y'all, today. All right, so this pillow is done. I added some bling in the middle of the flower. I did some iron-on and pearls, but I really like this. This is really cute, so I can't wait to put my pillow in it and show you guys. This iron-on, oh my God. These iron-on gems are so perfect. Like, I really, can y'all see this? Yes, like, oh, look at the glam. I am impressed. All right, but to me, it's still a little plain. I need to add something extra to it. So I might add some gems, don't know yet. My iron-on strips are adhered to, and I decided I'm gonna start adding some pearls using my gem tack. So underneath the pillowcase, or in between, I shall say, I just put a piece of cardboard or anything so my glue does not seep through. I'm gonna just go in and add pearls wherever. I think I'm gonna put some in the corner. Just a tad bit. You do not need a lot. That's it. Can y'all see that? All right, so go in. I'm gonna add some small ones because I don't want anything too bulky. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see just a little bit in the corner? Give it a little pizzazz. I really don't know what else to do to it, but I kind of like it like this, and I might leave it that way. Thank you for staying tuned and watching my DIY. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.